3D printing some shock stands. These ones are smaller for the 1/14 scale. So, just printed up 80% scale of the 1/8 shock towers. There's a little bottom tray that you could print with it as well, but I like it kind of just simple. So I don't know if you watched my other videos, but notice these shocks are pretty bad for our last rip. So I'm going to take them all apart, clean them up, and put some fresh oil in them. I wanted to show this too. I figured I'd check it out while I was printing today. Tried to print a different stand, but the print failed. It's a 5-hour print, so I'm going to run it while I'm sleeping tonight. And if you watch my other videos, I found something to do with that chassis. So it's my $20 plate. Holds my bits, but it's perfect size for setting on it. I use it all the time, so it worked out pretty good. Anyways, so probably fast forward through a bunch of this. It's pretty simple. I'll go through one. You don't even have to take the wheels off or nothing if you don't want. Again, I'm still new to this, so I'm sure I'm making mistakes, but this is what I do. This is from me working on farm equipment, just learning. Anyways, so there's 2 screws, one on the bottom, one on top. Take the spring off. I found the one was a little bent. Straighten that with my vise. A little heat. I was able to fix that other drive shaft from the EAT as well. Did it both. Anyways, so you got your shocks. Pull the bottom piece off. Take the spring off. This actually ain't too bad. Now, the WL ones have a notch. They don't always have that. It's nice because you put a wrench on it. These things don't always come off easy, especially first time. I think it's the first time I've looked at these shocks because they always felt real nice. Anyways, so try not to push too much so it doesn't mar up the anodize. Got that one straight. So little towers are perfect for the lid size. Probably do up to a 1/10 scale on this. Might be a little small on some of the bigger ones, but it's perfect for the collars. They need to be cleaned up a little. Yeah, not bad. It's not bad. I'm just gonna add. I just use straight 20 and 30 weight normally. But so that's that. I just take my syringe with some oil. Just fill it up so it doesn't take anymore. Now you can take it all the way apart. There's a diaphragm in the bottom. Maybe I'll show you that in the next one. Again, I'm not racing or nothing. We're just bashing, so it's more making sure it's just got something in it. But bumper worked good on this car. This is by far my daughter's favorite car. She loves driving it. I think my personal opinion is these WL, the 144001s. The brush system is just, it's better. It's not overpowering. Like for putzing around, and it's got enough power to do what you need. I mean, fast is always fun, but I don't know. It's so far. I'm sure my opinion will change later once I get that EAT running right. So anyways, same thing. Now the bottom tray that comes on this my assumption is meant to hold the springs. That's printing now in the background. I got that and some Nintendo trays for my daughter's retro games. So, anyways, so take this apart. There's a O-ring in there, and then there's another diaphragm. Take that, and it'll come right out. But it's not. These are normally pretty, as long as it's pretty clean. I don't know. No, there's no oil coming out of it, so it's sealed good. And I'll let these set and then put them back together after they set a little bit. Make sure oil seeps down in. You probably want to plunge them a few times. But the stand's not bad. I think it cost me about $2 or $3 to print. Maybe 4. I have to look how much material it uses. But I can even make them a little bigger. This probably do up to 1/10 scale. This one's nice and full. And this fits perfect for the collars on these WLs, which is what I use. It's perfect for me. But I got the original plan from Thingiverse. I got so many parts on there. My printer's old, so it doesn't do the best job. It's got to be 2012, so what, 14 years now? Place the heads to the new technology.
If you notice, my video's getting a little better. I'm starting to learn new tools. Just give me a little time. My lighting's obviously better. Yes, that was good. Make sure you don't lose these rubber gaskets. Should be wearing gloves, but as you can see, there's a plunger on there. It's got holes in it. A little cotter pin thing. So, just top them off. And I'll probably cut and put them back together. But stand works pretty good. I think with that little tray that sits, goes in these holes there, the little D-springs will sit in there perfect. Probably print them with and without, you know. If anybody wanted one, I print them for them at cost or whatever. You know, pretty good. Anyways, I'll be back in a little bit. Oh, before I go, show you the
Otis machine. I don't know what to call this thing. It's the XLF F18 with WL swing arms and some modifications with Otis rear shocks. This thing, it's almost like it's on tracks. It is so fun to drive. Definitely need the wheelie bar. I don't know if these wheels are going to hold up. I've already ripped through a couple of them, but I love them. Anyways, it's I'm probably going to be ripping that as soon as possible. We got snow right now, so.
Alright. You don't want to overfill them. You want that meniscus right there. They're all about right. I've seen a lot of guys putting in like 50 and 40 weight in the back and 30 in the front. I don't know. I'm just happy to have oil in. I'm sure as time goes on I'll be more particular. But right now I'm not. So it feels good. There. So put your spring back on. I do want to light these down a little bit. That's longer ones, rear. That was a bent one. It's pretty straight now. Header in the background. That's been screwed. Throw that away. Yeah, that's about it.
Back to seams. Oh, back to them down. About a mile. Oh, there we go. Ready to roll. Till next time.